at the Mid-America RV Show in Kansas City. It is January 2020. This is a big show. I mean, we're never going to be able to record everything that is here. So what we are doing is basically going by what we would be interested in maybe possibly ever purchasing, and that are a little more on the extremely budget friendly side, because we're not all into that $500, $600, $700, $800 a month payments for big old Coachman Muratas and stuff like that. So, but as you can see, there's vendors here, Camping World's here, there's all kinds of stuff here. This is just amazingly huge. So probably break this down in at least maybe 2-3 different videos, and we're just, like I said, going to show you the ones that we liked the best of the budget friendlies. I like the colors in this one. Murphy bed.
It can be anything you want it to be. Put it that way.
Big old window by the dinette.
There's a bottle.
Pretty good sized fridge in this one. So what we got in here? Fairly nice size. Oh wow, look at all the storage back there. Yeah, this is a pretty nice little trailer.
I like the other one.
I wish that other one had. You wouldn't ever have to flip it up.
Okay, so we've only seen 2 or 3 so far, but we are really liking this little R-Pod here. Like the smaller dinette area. Since it's just the 2 of us, we don't need a big old giant dinette area. It's a pretty good sized shower, and really a fairly spacious little bathroom for as small as this trailer is. Yeah, I liked that too, a little wardrobe type thing in the restroom. That's pretty cool. Lots of storage there. And then there's the pantry and the heater. Yeah, quite a bit of storage for as small as trailers. Pretty good sized refrigerator. That's pretty good sized. Usually they put the little tiny fridges in those.
is actually comfortable.
Wow, that's a deep sink.
That is a deep sink.
It's very, yeah, it's very deep.
Falls down, comes down.
Hidden brochures.
All the way through.
You found it.
Oh, isn't it? Good. Full storage.
It's a small one.
It's got
Looks like
a
good-sized
Murphy
bathroom.
bed. Oh, it's got a nice roomy little shower bathroom area.
And this is actually, is this an art pod? What is this?
I like this one. I like the layout of this one. Much better.
This one doesn't have as much storage, but it's more spacious.
Yeah, it is. I like that. I mean,
You know, you've got more elbow room.
yeah. Which I would like. I mean, for what you're going to use it for, you have
Right.
storage. You know.
I like how they put the bed this way instead of this way. That way it gives you a little more floor space. It does have a slide though, doesn't it? But yeah, maybe not if you didn't. Yeah. This one's pretty nice.
Oh, wow.
It's got a big old slide. Want another one of them really deep sinks. I like that deep sink thing. That's cool.
Lighting a fire, creating damage to the tank. These resets will pop out and shut the hot water heater down. Another great safety feature that Therapy offers in their product.
Pretty tiny bathroom though. I mean, it's the essentials and that's it. It's really not seeing a lot of storage area in this one.
Above the bed.
But a little bit here at the kitchen. Because most of them put some storage in the bathrooms.
TV in a better spot. Just to put like some kind of a storage.
Well, they probably didn't because of the slide.
Maybe they shouldn't make the slide so long.
Yeah.
They should have took this out, dinette down there, put the slide for the dinette.
Yeah. Then they could have had a whole bunch of storage. Yeah.
Different floor plan.
Not too keen on this one.
I like the layout on this one. I like the dinette being in the back.
Decent sized little bathroom. Kind of squishy right here. You know, if you're cooking, that's, I don't know. Very tiny sink. Does have a lot more storage than that Wolf Pup one. A lot more. Don't break it. Break it, you buy it. Yeah. Yeah, I think I like the layout a little better of this one. Yeah, see there's even like a shelf there. Quite a bit of
Towels.
storage in the little bathroom.
Got skylight in the shower. Got a max fan up there. Wi-Fi booster.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's right there. It is so.
No way. 2 gallons? We'll show you how to do it.
Here.
Well, I did it on the RO. Yeah.
And a Murphy bed. I like the kitchen area with this little extendable countertop.
This one's 48.
That's a top of it. I mean, I wouldn't want to go for 5.
I like the bathroom though. Lots of storage in that. And I like all this storage next to the fridge that blends in there. Oh, yeah, more storage under there. It's got quite a bit of little storage cubbies in it. I just really like the little kitchen area. Yeah, actually, I kind of like this one. How long was this one?
25 foot.
Did this one have? This one don't have slides, does it? Oh yeah. Okay. I like the kitchen area again. Big old sink. Look at that. Big old sink. It's nice. And it got a little extended. That's really nice. Yeah, I like the big window back there.
Old space. I wonder why they didn't put anything.
I don't know, but I mean that'd be a good place to put little shelves or something. Big, I know what would fit right there. A big giant dog food container. This one has your door at the back of the trailer.
Slide around here.
Fine.
It's 2,800 pounds.
I know looks really tiny, but I don't know. I kind of like it.
So that one had
Really big window right there. I mean, that would be really cool you know, if you're somewhere where you have an awesome scenic view. Quite a bit of storage for as little as it is, and I like the tiny dinette. I really like the little tiny dinette. So another wolf pup. At this time, it seems like wolf pup is right along our taste.
In 2020 with no enrollment fee at Genesis Health Clubs. Hurry, extended for just a few more days.
Happy at the table. We don't care. She tells they'll take out those phones. You go right ahead and get this.
I like the kitchen. I like this stove top here. That's neat. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Pretty big refrigerator for this little bitty. Got some little USB up here on the wall by the bunks. That's cool. Oh, it's got a outside access. So there's storage under this bunk that you were access from the outside.